Hi friends, this is the floor lamp that I'm showing you today. This is a LED floor lamp with the dimmable lights, 300-degree rotation, 70-inch height, heavy base, three color thing, and touch and a remote access to the color lights. And there are three different lights: the 3000K, 4000K, 5000K, three color temperatures, brightness controlled, and these are the specification that I will show you later on in more details. So as I said, this can be operated by remote as well as the touch button. I'm just showing you the LED panel right now after I assembled it. So you can see the lights that I can control and dim it with the remote right now, and then other three different color settings that you can use. So those three temperatures are 3000, 4000, 5000. So basically like the yellow or the combination of white and yellow and white. Can be operated by the touch as well. So there is a touch button near to the LED panel on that rod. Yeah, this one. So you can operate it through the touch panel as well. And three settings that you can use. So you can connect it after assembling this connection along with the AC adapter. So I'm just connecting it both and done. So as I said, I will show you this whole device later on. So this is in more details. So it shows everything. So this is how it looks in the final